Hello, Chef here with some really quick garden tips for you. What do I have here? Oh, fresh basil. Wow, beautiful stuff. Look at that. Nice. A couple of things about basil. First of all, they really like wood chips. You need to put wood chips around your basil and do it year after year. Incorporate some compost and some layers of dirt and add the wood chips. When you pick basil, don't pinch it. You hear people saying, oh, I'm going to go pinch some basil. You're going to bruise the plant. Use a pair of scissors. Take the basil you're looking for, like maybe this leaf, or maybe this leaf. Oh yeah, they're looking really, really good. No bruising on the ends. Okay, and another quick tip for you. In my kitchens, I have several. This one here is going on, oh, I think this end grain rock maple is over 20 years old now. It's been cut on 1,000,000 times. The knife does not hurt it. It's the hardest surface you want for your knife contact, like this. Cutting, chopping, slicing, dicing will not hurt the knife blade, will not hurt the block. Check your sponsor there. They're having a free shipping sale. Select hard rock maple as the chef's choice. Choose from several sizes, with a juice groove, without a juice groove, reversible, charcuterie board, solid walnut, solid cherry, even walnut rustic grain, reversible, round, square, rectangle, free shipping. Oh, it's gonna be good. Wow, the Jambus Cucina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel. The Elegante features 1.5-inch thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. Oh yeah, it's gonna